Hello and welcome back to another Dream Team video. Going to keep it nice, short and sweet. Today we're going to pick up a set of 4-ton poster ramps. So we're going to go dismantle them and then install them into our new workshop. Let's go. So we are now here. Sam's just doing his weekly. Tom's going to get his bits of tools out, gloves, I'll grab some in a sec. And then our ramps. Morning, morning. Yeah, good, thanks. Oh, there, so we'll dismantle these. I'll get time lapse on and then we'll get them loaded. Yep, out. One more left to go, that was quite easy. Been in about 3 minutes. Beautiful. Smack it, yeah. No. Ready? Beautiful, that was quite lovely. So far off. So they're now both down. As you can see, they're connected by the cables and the oil line because the tank's on this side. So the idea is to try and move them both slowly, one to the other, one to the other, so we get them on the trailer. So you say we move one, then move the other, and just both put them on at the same time on the trailer. Yeah, we can disconnect all the lines otherwise, and then all leaks. So we'll try and be crafty and get them both on the same time, and then we get back to the our workshop. We can obviously back and straight in square then. So I'll leave the camera over here and let's go.
Quick one is shred.
Yeah, quick pit stop. Munch it up.
Pure protein this is, no fat.
Yeah, Tom's scranning. On a burger wagon, so. We'll finish this up and then we'll head back home because a little pit stop was needed. So as you can see behind me, Tom is jet washing off the ramps. Just so they're a little bit cleaner. Just so they're a little bit cleaner than they was. Bring them up a little bit. Sam's going to get some snow foam, just to snow foam them off, just so then we get all the grease off like this here. We ain't got to keep dealing with that when we put them in. Right guys, we've now strapped on the ramps to the telehandler. We can see if we can pick them up nice and even and then push them straight in. What's that for? Because now they can't hear me. You idiot. Right. Right, just had some lunch and now we're back. As you can see, both ramps are standing upright. We've just now got to position them right, make sure everything works, and then get them bolted down. So I can show you quickly. So obviously we have our two cables and the hydraulic pipe that runs through the middle. We just need to make sure they're all in line, working well. Everything's going up and down as it should. And then we're going to have this one Obviously the board's still got to be, these got to be boarded back to here. But we want to know from just to walk through there, but not a lot, because we're going to use that side more to walk through. And we positioned it back a little bit more off the bay, so that if you look, obviously we're going to have more room on the front here to work with than at the back. So then we got a little bit more, the vehicle should come back here somewhere, and then we've got a metre or so at the front to work with. So we'll get the generator on. Well, they're all lined up, all the end cables are in nice and tight, so now we're just going to get them semi-drilled in. We won't tighten them up properly, then we'll make sure everything all works up and down, and then we'll chemical fix them in, and then we should be good to go. It's the next day. Me and Tom had some problems yesterday, so we're going to give it a crack today. First, let's get a cold start of the Evo. And this is a proper cold start, because look, everything is frozen. So they're now all been bolted down. Tom's torqued them down with the gun. We've just got to let them to dry, and then hopefully we can get using them now. So short and sweet, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we should be doing some more crazy car content instead of doing yard stuff.
Welcome everyone to Dream Team Performance and Servicing. In here is where we're going to start doing all of our car performance parts, servicing of people's cars, and hopefully some upgrades on our own cars. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and leave any comments for what you'd like to see us do. Peace out.